In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock your GoDaddy domain. Unlocking your domain is a vital step if you plan to transfer it to another host or modify certain settings. We'll go through this process step by step, and by the end, you'll feel confident in managing your domain settings without any hitches. Let's dive right in. Start by heading over to the GoDaddy website. Once there, you'll need to log in to your account. Enter your credentials and hit the Sign In button. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your account dashboard. Look for the My Products option and click on it. This section is where you'll find an overview of all the products and services associated with your GoDaddy account, including your domain names. Now pay attention to the Domains section. Once you locate it, click on Manage All. This will take you to a more detailed view of your domains, giving you the ability to manage each one individually. From this list, find and select the specific domain you want to unlock. You could have several domains, so be sure to choose the right one for your task. Once you've selected your domain, scroll down the page to locate the Domain Lock section. Typically, this is found under a category labeled Additional Settings. In this section, you'll see a toggle that indicates whether your domain is locked or unlocked. If the domain is locked, the toggle will be in the On position. To unlock the domain, click on Edit. This will allow you to switch the toggle from On to Off. It's a simple action, but it plays a critical role in managing your domain status. Sometimes, unlocking your domain requires a little extra confirmation, so you might also be prompted to check a box or click Continue to finalize your choice. Be sure to complete any additional prompts so the change is successfully applied. After making these changes, remember that they might not be instantaneous. The process can take a bit of time, up to about 90 minutes, for the changes to fully take effect. During this period, just be patient and allow the system to update. Once this time has passed, your domain will be unlocked and you'll be free to proceed with any further steps you might need, like transferring your domain to another provider. There you have it, a straightforward approach to unlocking your GoDaddy domain. Whether you're looking to transfer it to a new host or simply alter some settings, unlocking the domain is a crucial initial step. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our content for additional tips and tutorials on managing your online presence effectively.